Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to go over yesterday's worksheet real quick, the sum and difference day 3. We are now going to have a review day. Please, guys, if you have any questions, shoot me an email or whatever. We can arrange a Zoom if you'd like. It's up to you. Just let me know. And then after the review day, we'll have a quiz. So for class 7, the quiz will be tomorrow. For class 2, the quiz will be on Thursday. So as we went over in yesterday's notes, you're going to be given two angles, angle A and angle B. These angles could be in one of the 4 quadrants, and you're going to be given the trig function, so like sine of angle A or cosine of angle B. And not only are you given that, but you're also, again, told which quadrant to draw the triangle in. So I did that for numbers 4 through 9. We're going to use angle A here. We're going to use angle B. These were also Pythagorean triples, but I wanted to show what you would do if it wasn't. But you would just do x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and you would solve for your x or your y or whatever side was missing. Okay. For number 4, right, you're given cosine of a plus b. So all you have to do as you're doing this is refer to your identity sheet that outlines what the identity is for the sum of cosine angles, and refer to the triangles that you just created. So the cosine of A is going to be 15 over 17 times the cosine of B, which is 4 over 5, and then it's minus. And this is really where I see the most mistakes. It's just with the signs. It's just with taking the correct sign from the triangle, taking the right sign from whatever side it was, not making mistakes if it's like 2 negatives or whatnot. Those mistakes, and also just simple fraction mistakes, mathematical mistakes that do come up. So for the most part, I thought everybody did a nice job with the work. There were some of us that made those mistakes. Okay, there were some that had some other questions. So hopefully, seeing this, it kind of clears things up. Right, and after we multiply, we're just going to combine. We're adding here. We have a common denominator, so it's 84 over 85. Let's look at number 6. In number 6, we were asked cotangent. So I had said in yesterday's video that when you're given cotangent, secant, or cosecant, use the identity for the reciprocal, and then after you get your answer, just take the reciprocal of that to get the final answer. So, if you look on your identity paper, we don't have anything for cotangent, but we do for tangent. So we'll solve the identity for tangent using the 2 angles. When we get to the very end right here, that's not our answer. That's tangent, but we were asked to find cotangent. So at this point, and that's why I wrote myself a note up top, is that we just have to take the reciprocal. Okay? So tangent of A, tangent of B, 1 minus the product of the 2 of them, right? All I did here was find a common denominator. I thought to myself, okay, 15 and 4, it's got to be 60, right? 15 times 4, so 8 times 4, and 4 times 15, so it's 32 minus 45. Okay. Did the same thing in the bottom. I eventually replaced 1 because I knew I was going to have to subtract or add, so I made it 60 over 60 to, again, have the common denominator. Then I just reduced. All right, in number 7, it was cosine. Just be careful with cosine, because if it's the difference of cosine, in the identity, you end up using a plus sign here. All right, number 8. So be aware of problems that you've already done, because in this one, we already had this answer, right? In number 8, we were asked to find cosecant. Well, I just got done saying that if you're given cosecant, you should try to find the sine of A minus B in this case, and then at the end, we'll just take the reciprocal. But again, be aware of problems that you've already done, because in number 5, we were asked to do sine of A minus B. So all I had to do was take that answer, 77 over 85, and to get cosecant, just take the reciprocal of it. All right, then finally, tangent of A minus B. Now, there's a few mistakes that I saw from people with this one, so go back if you need to, and I'll post the answer key along with the video. But again, just be careful with the signs. We have two minuses here, so a negative minus a negative is going to end up being a positive. You will have down here, you're going to have a positive times a negative, so that's going to end up being a negative in the denominator. You're going to have to work with the common denominator again, which is 60, because again, we're using the same angle, so it's the same 15 and 4. Same thing, 60 and 60. I don't think there was any negatives here, so our answer is positive 77 over 36. All right. So again, guys, go through this. Look at the answer key. If you have questions, shoot me an email. And like I said, I don't mind if we have to do if you want to arrange like a Zoom call just to kind of get some things addressed. And that could be one of us, two of us, whatever. So just let me know. Enjoy the day. For those of you that are taking AP classes or AP tests this week, good luck. All right. And I'll talk to you guys soon.